Ever wondered how to make the perfect banana bread at home? Well, the secret to a delicious, moist, and fluffy banana bread lies not just in the ingredients, but also in the method. So buckle up, as today we're going on a culinary journey to master the art of baking the perfect banana bread. First things first, as we gather all the necessary ingredients, watch as their images appear on screen. You'll need 3 ripe bananas, a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1/3 of a cup of melted butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, add to this list 1/2 cup buttermilk, an extra moist and tangy touch. And of course, don't overlook the star of the show, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Watch as each ingredient takes center stage, ready for our culinary creation. Now, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven warms up, grab a loaf pan and grease it lightly with butter or cooking spray to prevent the bread from sticking. It's time to start mixing. Mash the in a large bowl until they're smooth. Add the melted butter and whisk until it's well combined. Next, mix in the baking soda and stir in the sugar, beaten egg, and vanilla extract. Now, here's a twist. Pour in a cup of buttermilk, stirring it gently into the batter. Finally, add the flour gradually, stirring just until the ingredients are combined. Remember, overmixing can make your banana bread tough, so be gentle with your batter. The addition of buttermilk will help give us a tender, moist loaf just the way we want it. Now, pour the batter into your greased loaf pan. Slide the pan into your preheated oven. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick or knife inserted into the center of the bread comes out clean. Once baked, remove the bread from the oven and let it cool in the pan for a few minutes. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Resist the temptation to slice it right away. Giving it time to cool will make slicing easier and the flavor more developed. So to recap, you start by gathering your ingredients and preheating your oven. Then you mix the ingredients, starting with the bananas and butter, then adding the rest of the ingredients gradually. The batter goes into a greased loaf pan and bakes for about an hour. Once it's done, let it cool before slicing and serving. Remember, baking is part science, part art. Don't be discouraged if your first loaf isn't perfect. Practice makes perfect, and with each attempt, you'll get closer to baking the perfect banana bread. So go ahead, give it a try, and fill your home with the sweet, comforting aroma of freshly baked banana bread. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making the perfect banana bread at home. Happy baking!